Now.
All right, we gonna save Sarah. You got three people. Three of us gonna save Sarah.
I'm gonna take two.
You take two.
If I save Sarah, we'll bring it in, put another dot.
Okay.
Carson will take two.
Okay.
Then we'll bring it in and put another dot. Then you take two.
You shoot and miss. As soon as I'm gonna follow up with a shot. It ain't gonna be no two shots. You shoot, I'm gonna follow up, and it's gonna be all over. I got him.
Okay.
I got
All
this
right,
bitch.
we gonna
got
see.
him.
Okay.
All right.
We gonna see. We gonna see who got the best shot.
Let's go now.
Darryl, you going first?
No, John the primary sniper.
All right.
Damn, I missed that hole. Get it. You ready? Damn, you way off.